Yo! Here's a quiz based on common facts about our world. There are no trick questions. Just answer to the best of your ability to see what you know about life. Here goes. 1. Which is much more likely to freeze first after being put into a home freezer? A jar of cool water or a jar of warm water? Warm water usually freezes first due to the Mpemba effect. This involves evaporation, covalent bond relaxation, dissolved gases, thermal conductivity, weaker hydrogen bonding of warmer water, etc. 2. What is the hardest part of the human body? Tooth enamel. Even tooth dentin is harder than bone. 3. Who was the first president of the United States? It can't be George Washington, since he began his term in 1789 while the U.S. was founded in 1776. The first president was John Hanson, who served a one-year term. 4. Who invented the light bulb? Joseph W. Swan. 5. Which animal that I name would beat all the rest in a physical fight? Alligator, boa constrictor, crocodile, giraffe, gorilla, grizzly bear, lion, polar bear, porcupine, tiger. The giraffe. There is videotaped proof. 6. Are there vortices, plural of vortex, in space that are so powerful even light cannot escape being sucked into them? If so, what are they called? No, there are not. Black holes are solid balls of matter which have no more gravitational pull than stars of the same mass. I call them quark stars. 7. What does Earth always orbit around? The barycenter, our solar system center of mass. Earth only orbits the sun when the barycenter is in the sun. 8. Roughly what percent of our brains do we humans use? 100%. 9. What is the tallest mountain in the world? It's Hawaii's Mauna Kea, 33,465 feet or 10,200 meters. Most of it is underwater, while Everest has nothing underwater. 10. Why does Earth have 4 seasons? Because of its 23.4 degree tilt, not its distance from the sun or its rotation. 11. If all the gold on Earth was made into a giant cube, how big would it be? Make a rough estimate. Around a 70-foot or 21.4 meter cube. Were you close? 12. Why do chameleons change color? They change color based on their emotions and as a means of communication. It has nothing to do with blending into their surroundings. 13. Do human eyes differ greatly in size? If so, how much based on a person's size? Human eyes are virtually the same size, from the smallest 3-year-old child to over 7 foot or over 2.13 meter adults. Human eyes differ by less than 1 millimeter. 14. Blood inside the human body is not the medium red that we see outside it. What color is it inside? Dark red. 15. Are there robots along many streets in most developed countries? If so, what kind? Yes, they are otherwise known as traffic lights. This ends my quiz, though there are many other surprising facts, since I believe I've made my point. My point is for you to awaken to the understanding that you can be 100% convinced that you are right, but be dead wrong. My point is also that you must not just go by what other people say. You should think for yourself. And while the questions on my quiz pertain to facts that are relatively trivial, you must not be mistaken on life's important issues like most people are. Most people think and believe like the majority of those around them because they foolishly adopt their thinking without researching the facts. Yet not only can the majority be wrong, everybody around you can be dead wrong. I get so many thumbs down on my videos because of this error in people's thinking. If you're going to disagree, stop with the thumbs down and nasty remarks on my channel. Present facts of your own which you think support your position like a mature adult. If not, then learn from me and embrace my positions on the right way to communicate and understand others, social issues, and other important topics. Take this to heart.